Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here benzene and 5-member fusel system is given and the 5-member ring has one alkene. You are reacting with sodium and THF and allyl bromide. You have to find what will be the final product where the allyl will be substituted. Here the answer is interesting because unexpected product will be obtained. The first step of reaction is hydrogen elimination. You have aromatic stable product because it has 4n plus 2 pi electron, conjugation and planar. So special anion stability by aromaticity. So the anion is a nucleophile. It can attack allyl bromide. It has new CC bond. The mechanism of allyl bromide elimination everybody knows is SN2 prime mechanism. So attack happen, you have final product. Here the anion stability dictate the final product. The concept you have to learn here is aromaticity stabilize the charges, can be cation or anion, and aromaticity is the sole driving force for the reaction here. Then anion stability also decides the nucleophilicity as well as the incoming group position. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.